Hi. So today I thought I would try to do some fluid nail art. I have never done this before, so it's going to be my first time. And I will use Spotted from Dance Legend, and this one is the black one. So I've had this a while, like maybe 2 months or so, but I haven't tested it yet. So I see everybody's doing it. So I thought, okay, now you have to test it. So yeah, I did already play a little bit, and this is what I got. This was the second one, and this was my first try. And then I already did my thumb. So I will show you how I did this on my thumb, and I'll do the rest of my nails. I will be using my color clubs, some of them at least, and these are the ones that I will use. So this one is Girl Gang, and this one is Like a Boss. This one is Neutral, and this one the sticker fell off, but I do remember all my color clubs' name. This one is called Rise and Shine. And then of course I will use the Dance Legend Spotted. And a top coat at the end. So this one I'm actually going to use it, but I'll just show you what I did. So let me just turn this around. So I'm just going to dab some dots like this. So try to work quickly, don't work too slow. And then do the same with the Dance Legend at the end when you have finished with your colors. Be sure that the brush is clean when you put it back in. And then what I did is I just folded it. You can see they already start forming. I'm just letting it run a little bit so it's not like super fat in one place. Sorry, but I have to let it run, otherwise so like this. And then just leave it for a while because it keeps expanding. So leave it until it gets dry, like this one, and then I'll show you. I'll take it off and place it like this one. the nails. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, subscribe. I upload my own designs once a week. Once a week I paint my nails and I upload it to my channel. So for these nails, it was really a funny manicure to make. I really enjoyed it. I love this spotted. It was the first time for me to use it. And yeah, you have to kind of, when it's your first time, you have to kind of do some tests. And don't settle for the first design, kind of keep on testing until you're happy. And it was really fun. And also it was my first time making decals and applying them. That was also something I've never done before. So yeah, I really enjoyed it, and I recommend playing with this spotted. Really had a nice time. So I'll see you soon.